Hello guys, we have a Pfister kitchen faucet with the diverter problem. So if we open the water here and we use the sprayer, we see that still water comes out from the main faucet. So there is a diverter problem, and you should order the diverter from the company, and the model number of your faucet is underneath this knob. So you remove this cap, there is a screw in there, you just remove that screw, pull this up, and on the stem there is a label with the model of your faucet. So you order the new diverter, which is this one here, and it comes with the tools, and I'll show you how to replace it. So first thing, you just drain the water, so as when you remove the here, so as when you remove this, you don't have problems in splashing water in your kitchen. So you unscrew this all the way, pull it out, and the diverter is inside this hole here. And to pull it out, you just use some special pliers. I'll show you which one. This kind of pliers should help you to pull it out. They want you to push the diverter from underneath the sink, but you should be able to get it with this plier and pull it up. So before you pull up the diverter, which is this one, there is a nut on top, which is hexagonal nut. It comes, the package comes with the special tool to unscrew this nut, and then the diverter is underneath, which is this one. You just grab it with the pointed pliers and pull it up. So I already removed mine, so as you see there is nothing there. So I'm going to put the new one in. The new one should be with this pointy teeth on the upper side. So you put it down like that, push with your finger all the way through, okay, and then you put the knob on top like this. Okay, and then you use your special tool which come in the package, and you screw it on top of the diverter. Okay, was not all the way down. Make sure it's all the way down. You don't have to put a lot of pressure. Then you put this on top, push it down, and screw it back like this. Okay. Now you open the water. See, works, all done, works perfectly. Okay, hope my video helped you. Bye bye.